Clarity precedes success. Robin Sharma. Let's be real. There are thousands of ticker symbols out there. Tesla, Amazon, Nvidia, Apple. It's like an alphabet financial soup. And if you're new to the game, it can feel overwhelming, like you're supposed to magically know which stock is going to change your life. You've probably spent hours scrolling through charts, watching YouTube videos, trying to figure out what to buy, when to buy it, and praying you don't blow your account with the wrong move. You're not lazy. You're not unmotivated. You're just confused by a system that was never designed to be simple, especially for us. You want to build wealth. You want freedom. But between the hype stocks and the overcomplicated strategies, it feels like you're throwing darts in the dark. But what if I told you that you don't need 100 tickers? There's just one. Yes, one ticker symbol that can simplify your entire journey, give you access to the top 500 companies in America, and help you start building toward financial freedom right now. Well, stick with me because I'm about to reveal that ticker. And once you see it, everything you thought about trading and wealth creation will shift. So let's unlock your breakthrough. You don't have to feel confused or overwhelmed by the stock market anymore. In fact, starting today, we're simplifying everything and spotlighting the only ticker symbol you need to begin your journey to financial freedom. It's the SPY, ticker symbol SPY. That's right. Just one symbol, one strategy, one system designed to help you build real wealth, one trade at a time. I'm Dr. O, and I'm the host of the Trading Psychology for Reparations program, where we help our community seek reparations through the stock market. We're not waiting on Congress or a stimulus. We're reclaiming our power now through mindset, discipline, and execution. This isn't about just numbers, it's about narrative. Because when you master the psychology behind the charts, the profits will follow. And guess what? You were never meant to be confused. You were meant to be in control. So comment, like, and subscribe, because I'm about to show you how one ticker, one mindset shift, and one community can create the financial revolution we've been waiting for. Let's get it. So you've heard the whispers. SPY this, SPY that. But let me break it down for you. SPY isn't just a random stock symbol. It's the SPDR S&P 500 ETF, and it's the cornerstone of modern investing. Launched in 1993 by State Street Global Advisors, SPY became the first ever exchange-traded fund, or ETF, available to everyday investors in the United States. That's right, the first ETF to ever hit the market. It was built to mirror the performance of the S&P 500, a collection of the 500 most powerful publicly traded companies in America. That includes companies like Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, and Johnson & Johnson. When you invest in SPY, you're not buying one stock, you're buying America's economy in a single move. And the best part? It's available on nearly every trading platform, from Robinhood and Webull to Fidelity, Schwab, TD Ameritrade, and beyond. It's one of the most traded and trusted financial tools in the world, and it's sitting right there, waiting for you to use it as a vehicle for legacy. So if you're tired of trying to pick the perfect stock, SPY is the strategy. Simple, powerful, proven. One ticker, 500 companies, endless potential. And it's time to claim your seat at the table. SPY isn't just a ticker, it's a legacy. As the first exchange-traded fund ever created in the United States, it symbolizes a moment when access to the market became democratized. That same access that was once limited to wealthy insiders became available to the average person with just a few clicks. For the Black community, this is a powerful shift. It reminds us that financial systems, once designed to keep us out, can now be used to usher us in. ETFs like SPY allow us to bypass centuries of exclusion from financial institutions and step into the powerful investment vehicles without needing a six-figure portfolio. You no longer need to be born into wealth or privilege to participate in wealth creation. Now we get to build from where we are with wisdom and community behind us. Understanding SPY as a historical financial innovation helps us reframe our own history. We are not late. We are right on time. Our ancestors may have been blocked from economic equity, but we can use today's tool to begin restoring what was taken. So when we talk about reparations, we're not waiting for legislation. We're acting. SPY gives us a platform to start compounding, reinvesting, and restoring our families. Reparation through the market isn't a fantasy. It's a formula. The SPY tracks the top 500 U.S. companies. Imagine owning a piece of the 500 most powerful companies in America. When you invest in SPY, you do just that. That means you don't have to pick winners or losers. You win when the American economy wins. And for the Black community, that is revolutionary. For centuries, we were used to build wealth for others. Well, SPY flips the script. Now we earn from the very corporations our labor helped build. Owning SPY allows us to profit from this system, ethically and powerfully. Instead of being consumers of Nike, Apple, and Amazon, we become owners. That shift from consumer to shareholder is where generational wealth begins. That's not just an investment strategy, it's economic justice. Diversification within SPY also reduces risk, making it safer for first-time investors in our community. It spreads our investment across sectors, tech, healthcare, energy, so one downturn doesn't wreck your future. That means even if you're new to the game, you're still protected and positioned to win. SPY helps us reclaim ownership, literally. When your last name didn't come with generational trust funds, SPY becomes your starting block. It becomes the bridge from scarcity to strategy, from surviving in America to thriving in it. SPY trades more often than any other ETF. One of the greatest barriers to economic participation is complexity. SPY cuts through that. It's one of the most actively traded ETFs in the world, which means it's easy to buy and easy to sell, and always in motion. High liquidity means you won't be stuck in an investment. You can enter and exit with freedom. And freedom is what we're after. In a world where cash flow is king, especially in families trying to break generational cycles, knowing your money is movable creates security. This flexibility gives you breathing room. It means you can respond to emergencies without cashing out your entire plan or paying penalties. When you're not trapped in your finances, you begin to make better decisions. You stop operating out of desperation and stop operating from vision. SPY's liquidity supports that kind of mental shift, from reactive to strategic. It's not just about making money, it's about giving your mind room to dream again. Reparations isn't just receiving funds, it's knowing how to use them. SPY's high trade volume ensures you're never stuck. That's emotional and financial liberation in one ticker. SPY pays dividends quarterly. Passive income is not a luxury, it's a lifeline. SPY pays quarterly dividends, meaning that even while you're sleeping, investing in your healing, or showing up for your family, your money is still working. That's the model of financial justice, money that honors your rest, not just your labor. Dividends allow us to fund dreams we never had time for. Want to help your child start a business? Fund a community program? Take a break and heal from burnout? Dividend income makes that possible, bit by bit, quarter by quarter. SPY reminds us that wealth is not just a lump sum, it's a system. Many of our ancestors worked until they couldn't stand. SPY gives us the opportunity to rest while still receiving. That's reparations in action, reshaping what it means to earn and deserve. No more work until you drop. Now, we build wealth that supports us across seasons. So as you reinvest those dividends or use them to reduce financial stress, remember this: you are being paid by America's largest companies just for owning a piece of the future. That's not just a financial win, it's a psychological one. Wall Street insiders, hedge funds, and billion-dollar institutions all trade SPY. But so do everyday people who've never even taken a finance class. That's the beauty of it. It levels the playing field. You're using the same tools they are, and that's power. This helps break the lie that we don't belong in the market. The truth is we've always belonged. We just haven't always been shown the door. Well, SPY is a door, and it's wide open. Whether you're a new investor or a seasoned trader, SPY gives you a fair seat at the table. As Black investors, we've been historically shut out of wealth building strategies used by institutions, but now we're insiders. When you invest in SPY, you're tracking with the moves of the most sophisticated investors in the world. That means you're no longer playing catch up. You're playing smart. Reparations doesn't mean taking something from someone else. It means using the same tools they've used for centuries to reclaim our equity. SPY is one of those tools, so use it. SPY reflects the pulse of the U.S. economy. It's more than just a stock, it's a mirror. It reflects the strength, shifts, and struggles of the American economy. And when you learn to read it, you begin to read your environment. For the Black community, being financially literate means becoming economically aware. This awareness is vital. It helps you prepare for recessions, spot opportunities during market booms, and adjust your spending or saving habits accordingly. That's not just being smart with money, it's becoming a financial profit for your household. We've been on the receiving end of economic blows for too long. Job cuts, rising rents, inflation. But when you understand how SPY moves, you're no longer guessing what's coming. You're forecasting. You gain control. You make decisions from data, not fear. So yes, SPY is a stop, but it's also a signal. And once you understand how to read the signals, you'll shift from being reactive to being resourceful. That's how we lead our families. That's how we build a new narrative. And you can build an entire wealth plan around the SPY. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the thousands of stocks out there, breathe easy. Because you can build an entire wealth plan around SPY. From options trading to dividend investing to long-term holding, SPY can be your one-stop strategy for six-figure income. For the Black community, this simplicity is revolutionary. Instead of getting lost in complex charts or gimmicky trends, you can focus on mastery. One chart, one ticker, one plan. And when we narrow our focus, we simplify our results. This means your trading plan isn't about gambling, it's about growing. With SPY, you can compound slowly, scale monthly, and use consistent profits to fund your version of reparations. Whether that's buying back the block, paying off student loans, or helping your kids avoid the same financial trauma you endured. You don't need to do 1,000 things. You need to do one thing well. SPY is enough. You are enough. And together, that's how we build wealth. On purpose, with power, and without apology. So you've just seen how one ticker SPY can change everything. Not just for investors on Wall Street, but for everyday people determined to create their street of wealth, justice, and healing. So now you know the truth. Financial success doesn't just come from fancy suits or secret handshakes. It comes from mindset, discipline, and the willingness to learn. And you, my friend, already have everything it takes. But here's the thing, the journey is not meant to be walked alone. That's why I created our community. When you join us, you're not just gaining information, you're gaining alignment. You'll be surrounded by people who look like you, think like you, and dream like you. People who are tired of waiting for reparations and are ready to reclaim what's ours through action and education. In this space, we celebrate every $100 day, every mental breakthrough, and every chart mastered. We believe that your financial healing is deeply connected to your personal development, and we're here to walk you through every trade, every challenge, and every testimony. You're not just joining a community, you're joining a movement. So if this resonated with you, comment below and tell us you're ready to shift your financial future. Like this video so we can keep spreading the message, and subscribe because this is just the beginning. Welcome to Trading Psychology for Reparations. Let's build your legacy together. You've got this. Peace and blessings, Dr. O.